A good laptop stand can make a world of difference in your daily workflow, improving posture, reducing neck and back strain, and boosting overall comfort. Whether you're working from home, studying, or traveling, the right stand can also enhance airflow and keep your device cool. In this video, we'll explore the best laptop stands designed for every setup and lifestyle. Number 1. Soundance Laptop Stand. If you struggle with neck and shoulder pain, the Soundance laptop stand is a great option. Its ergonomic design elevates your computer screen by 6 inches, looking out for your comfort so you can focus on work. In terms of construction, the Soundance stand is made from aluminum alloy that is resistant to rust, meaning that this stand can last you for a very long time while still maintaining its sleek appearance. You'll also like that it is universally compatible with all laptops between 10 to 15.6 inches. This portable stand incorporates an open-air design that allows natural air to continuously cool your laptop to prevent overheating, and it includes plenty of space underneath, which is perfect for you to place a detachable wireless keyboard. This awesome laptop elevator also comes with a rubber protector underneath to ensure that your laptop remains in place. This also goes a long way to protect your desk or countertop from any damage. The Soundance stand also allows for cable management thanks to the space underneath, so you can easily keep your cable neatly out of the way to avoid distractions and keep a clutter-free workspace. Number 2. Stelko MacBook Pro Stand. The most compact laptop stand you'll ever come across, the Stelko MacBook X stand is the perfect portable adjustable stand. This top laptop is made from lightweight aluminum that not only makes it rust-proof, but also contributes to its lightweight nature. The Stelko computer riser is small and folds up even smaller, so you can take it with you wherever you go. It should be able to fit in just about any laptop bag. As the name implies, this stand has been designed to work best with Apple MacBooks. However, it still works well with other laptop brands. It can comfortably accommodate any laptop between 12 and 17 inches. If you struggle with your laptop overheating on your desk or your lap, this little device here can solve that issue for you, as it's designed to minimize overheating and improve airflow to ensure that your laptop remains cool. Best of all, it's adjustable to ensure your eyes are at the same level as your screen. The only minor complaint we have? Its rubber feet don't do the greatest job at keeping the lap desk from moving. Still, they do a decent job. Number 3. MOFT Laptop Stand. When it comes to sleek and attractive designs, the MOFT laptop stand takes the cake. This stand comes in various colors, including starry gray, our favorite, black and blue, so it's pretty much guaranteed to complement any space. This raised laptop stand sports a slim construction that measures a mere 1/9 inches thick. Slim and compact, this stand sticks to the bottom of your device, so that when your laptop is closed, it looks like there are no attachments. But when it is open, you can easily lift your PC with the stand underneath it. The good thing about this is that you never need to carry your laptop and your stand as separate items, since this MOFT stand allows them to be one. And if you ever want to detach the stand, it's as easy as peeling it off. In terms of construction, this model is built with PU and fiberglass, so even though it's lightweight, it's quite sturdy. This affordable laptop stand features a patented ergonomic design and 2 height settings of 2 and 3 inches. On the downside, it's not suitable for larger laptops. It can support all brands, but only up to 15.6 inches. So be sure to always have it in your laptop backpack wherever you go. Number 4. Roost Laptop Stand. The Roost laptop stand prides itself in being one of the lightest and most portable laptop stands in the world. It is made here in the United States of America, and proudly too. So, if you're keen on locally made products, this is the one to look at. This stand is sturdily constructed and can hold laptops up to 9 pounds. It also features a flexible and universal design that makes it suitable for all laptop types, including Apple MacBooks. When it comes to using your computer on the go, a desk doesn't cut it, as using your laptop on a flat desk over extended periods of time can result in back, neck, and shoulder pains. The Roost stand is an ergonomic laptop stand that helps prevent pain while you use your PC. Even if you are on the taller side, you can rejoice as this model is adjustable in height between 6 to 11 inches. So you can select a level that will put you in the most comfortable position to get your work done. No doubt, one of the best things about this stand is that it is both lightweight and foldable. You can easily fold it up and pack it in your backpack or laptop bag, or even your luggage to use later during meetings, at the coffee shop, or even at the library. It also allows for the flow of air right underneath your laptop, preventing it from overheating. Number 5. Nulaxy Telescopic Rotating Laptop Stand. Our rotating laptop stand for desk allows you to easily share your screen with someone sitting across the room or at another desk. This is the perfect solution for anyone who works in an open office plan and wants to participate in meetings without leaving their workstation. It also works great for idea sessions when collaborating with others over video chat or calls. Working in your most comfortable position can boost your productivity and creativity. This computer stand for laptop allows you to adjust the height to 20 inches, so you can comfortably work in standing or sitting positions. This laptop riser is designed to increase your comfort level by easily raising your screen to eye level, improving your posture, and reducing back pain. You can adjust the angle as needed for optimal viewing. This MacBook stand features a strong bearing force and can support as much as 22 pounds, 10 kilograms. The solid base prevents your laptop from tipping over while you're using it, even if you are typing or drawing.